going down this road eastbound, State Route 28. Make sure your barrels are in place. This is what you see on construction sites. Now again, going out here, see what the asphalt looks like. Now, if you see the marks, I'm not going to step on this asphalt. It's kind of curved. It's curved out. That's how the rollers roll their pattern, because since roads sit on the crown, if rollers pave it straight to the end, the bituminous has a chance of breaking. Now generally the breakdown roller, which is that small roller I pointed out to you, that will correct that. Doing, walking down the road here, make sure that it's done right. You see the roller has water in it. Here's some more silt sock in front of me with hay in it. And I'm getting ready to walk into the temporary approach. It's made of number 8 stone. Eventually this will come out. It's either going to be concrete or bituminous. And again, thank you all for viewing this information, construction operations. I'm going to call it part 2, testing out my GoPro. It's going right up on my QCIS channel. So I'm walking in, showing you where I started. See the building in back, Pizza King, AT&T Associates Health Center, and Jimmy John's. You can see all the finished product here. And once again, that concludes this series on construction operations, testing the GoPro camera. If you like what I just presented, please comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for some social content, you can also check me out on the 401 Talk Zone radio show on YouTube. Now, here's some information that I'm going to relay to you. If you cannot find me on YouTube, you can check the QCIS channel and the 401 Talk Zone radio show channel on Twitter. Now for the QCIS channel, I take it one step further, since it's more of an educational channel. You can also find that channel on LinkedIn. And once again, I thank you for viewing this information. Please check out this video. And I'm using a brand new device, and I'm going to show you some ditches, show you some signs. This is pretty much a brand new plaza. But till next time, my name is Leon Jones. I want you all to have a wonderful and gracious day.